We are reporting from Valluvar Kotam in Chennai, where the Tamil Nadu BJP had announced that it would stage a protest against the DMK government over the Kallakurichi hooch tragedy. Remember, over 53 persons have lost their lives so far in Kallakurichi after they consumed illicit liquor. And the DMK government here in Tamil Nadu is under massive fire from the opposition parties. The Tamil Nadu BJP had announced a statewide protest, and the protest here in Chennai was supposed to begin at 4 p.m. But look at the kind of security deployment, because the police say permission has not been granted for this protest. So the minute protesters are arriving at the location, they are being detained by the police because they do not want the situation to go out of control. They want the law and order to remain under control. For that reason, because the permission has not been given, every BJP protester, the senior leaders have not yet arrived, but the protesters who are arriving here at the location are being detained by the police. Now, both the BJP and the AIADMK have been demanding that a CBI investigation must be ordered into the hooch tragedy, because they believe this has happened not just because of the negligence or the apathy of the officials, but there is a lot more that needs to be discovered in terms of the collusion between local politicians, officials, people who sell illicit liquor, etc. So for that reason, for a free and fair investigation, the opposition parties have been demanding a CBI probe, but the DMK government says they've already transferred the probe to the CID, and the Judicial Commission, a one-man commission headed by a retired judge of the Madras High Court, has also been constituted to look into this matter. And therefore, they say there is no need for a CBI inquiry. They will bring out the truth, is what the DMK government has said. But the opposition parties are not happy with the answers, with the response of the DMK government. Even in assembly, we've been witnessing for the last 2 days very stormy scenes. AIADMK MLAs staging a walkout, BJP MLAs too. In fact, for 2 days now, the minute assembly convenes, the AIADMK MLAs have been creating ruckus, saying that they want a proper discussion on Kallakurichi, but the speaker denies permission for that. So for that reason, the AIADMK MLAs walk out of the assembly, and tomorrow the AIADMK is also going to hold a statewide protest, and these are visuals of BJP leaders being taken into custody. I'm just going to speak to some of them.
Yeah, actually this is to condemn the current DMK government for the killing of the people. The 56 people have been killed in Kallakurichi due to illicit liquor. So our prayer is to resign the CM and resign the prohibition minister and the Eva Velo. So these are the culprits, and those who are encouraging this type of business, and they are getting the income from the illicit liquor for the state government.
The police is not allowing you to protest.
Yeah, the police actually they are not allowing us to just to protest. We are very silently we are proceeding, but still they are very violently they are behaving us, and they are arresting.
That is what BJP leaders are saying, that even they're not being given the right to even protest, raise their voice against this crime that has taken place in Kallakurichi, where 53 persons have died so far, and many more are undergoing treatment in Kallakurichi after they consumed illicit liquor. The DMK government, of course, says errors have been made. We are looking into the issue. The probe is going on in a thorough manner, but the opposition parties are not satisfied. They demand a CBI inquiry, and they also say this tragedy could have been prevented had the DMK government been proactive in curbing the brewing and sale of illicit liquor. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair in Chennai for India Today.